Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what do we have for Bitcoin for the daily today. On the 1 hour chart, we're gonna start from there. Don't forget, we're still looking at our potential 1-2, wave 3 here for and a 5, or of course it can be an A, B, and a C, a zigzag for an ending diagonal, as explained of course yesterday. So basically, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here unfolding, your wave 4 currently, because of course we have finished this impulse here, potentially 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and we see kind of like a drop downward. However, what I'm expecting as well is a potential wave 4 here can be unfolding as well for this scenario where we might be of course in an A, B, and a C, and that because of course we don't see any kind of invalidation yet for this possible scenario. So if that is the case, the invalidation is not taken yet, and of course we're still ranging above it, and this can of course unfold a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, especially that this can be a wave 2 here, and that you are looking at a potential A, B, and a C as well, and then looking for higher. Now of course the counting yesterday with the live stream, we made a live stream of course especially for this bounce back and this drop for the market, because of course you can count here 1, 2, 3, even like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So there is several possibilities here because there are a lot of extensions here has been of course unfolded. You can call even 4, 5, 4, 5, for example, and have A, B, and a C. But also can be of course a finished impulse in the top as well, and that you might start something bearish. But in this case scenario, meaning you have finished a zigzag, A, B, C, and we drop down. So this is the difference, guys. And of course, both counts here can be finished at wave 5 here, or it can be finished over there as well. So we gotta be careful, of course. But the thing right now, how we know what we to expect next is exactly in this area. So if we dive deeper right now, after this impulse, the potential 1, 2, 3, I'm looking for a wave 4, right? So this is very normal to look for the wave 4. Now our blue box has been hit perfectly, right? 1.618 and 1.38, and in confluence with the 0.23 here. So if we are still expecting a wave 5 toward the downside, how do we know that we are clear for higher, or we're still looking for lower? So once we take the 1-to-1 fib level, here we go. We are at 1-to-1 fib level right now, and we see of course some kind of red retracement right now, and this might be of course the signal, unless of course we need to wait a little bit, see the reaction, if it's gonna continue downward or it's gonna break it decisively. So once it break it decisively, meaning 1.27, okay, we start to be in an impulse here, wave 3, 4, and a 5, you continue simply toward the upside. But this currently shows of course that we might be in ABC wave 4. We continue toward the downside to finish a wave 5 and wave C in a wave 4 potentially. And don't forget the invalidation of this impulse, of course, is to watch this price. Right? So let's watch the price. 118 K is the first invalidation of the last bullish scenario here that we have toward the upside. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. That was it for Bitcoin for the daily for today. I'm not gonna dive very deeper in details. Of course, you can go back also to the last video daily. You can see also the deep analysis. It shows, of course, the same scenarios that we are looking for it. I wish you to have a nice day and trade safe. Bye-bye.